Hey everybody, this is Lee from Poplar Studio. I am doing a container planting today. I've got some really beautiful plants that I wanted to share with you. The rule of thumb with containers is a thriller, filler, and a spiller. And our thriller plant is this black lace elderberry, which is a shrub by proven winners. Typically, this is going to have a little pink flower here soon. This, if it's planted as a shrub out in the garden, gets between 7 and 10 feet tall and wide. And I'm using it as a thriller plant in our container combination. I love the dark purple foliage and I like the kind of lacy texture, and I wanted to contrast that with these beautiful lace wing Synecias, I think angel wing, sorry, Synecia, because not only is the leaf shape different, but the color is contrasting, and I really love that. The next thing I wanted to do is, because that's a lot of foliage, is break that up with some floral blooms. And so I have a contrasting, again, purple and white, and this is an angel face blue Angelonia, also a proven winner plant, and this is going to be between like 20 and 30 inches tall. So I've got a nice big purple spike, and then a beautiful contrasting shape with the happy kind of daisy face of the osteosperm. And then I think, because I have a little bit of room here in the front, I'm going to go with these wave petunias because they have a really beautiful dark purple that'll go with this flower and then spill and drape over the edge. So this will be my spiller plant, these are my filler, and this is my thriller.
A few moments later.
I'm doing up the second of the two container pots, and I don't really like how I did it, so this is like take two. And I wanted to show you that this happens as a designer, is it's not perfect the first time. And so I want to let you guys know it's okay to go back and rearrange things. It's not going to hurt the plants.